Good morning, everybody. I'm parked over there and I'm in this beautiful park right here. It's a small park, but I'm enjoying myself. What's up, everybody? It's another day. Still stuck here in Albuquerque. Yeah, I kind of have nothing to do today. I got to spend the whole weekend out here in order to get my van even looked at. Hashtag van life sucks sometimes. .com. We are currently at Grisham Park. You can see the rules of the park there. So I have to be out here by 10 p.m. That's not a problem. But no alcohol here. That's good. I'm not drinking during the day. And you can't put your car in the park. Gotcha. I gotta tell you, like, solar panels are catch-22 because during the day, I want to be close to my van. I don't want my van to get all hot. But then, if you park in the shade, you don't get power. I used a lot of power. I went down to 83% last night. So, it's really tough with the panels. But if you go driving, I'm getting a lot more charge from my alternator. And if I drive far enough, I could charge the batteries in no time. Like, it's 20 amps per hour on that charger. So, I mean, I'm not going to do the math in my head right now. But a couple hours driving, I have 40 amps right there. That's probably what I used last night. So, think about it before you start putting solar panels on there, because you're not going to be able to park in the shade during the hot times. I'm trying to let my engine cool down, because every time I start it, the engine works fine, the transmission works fine for the first probably 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I think when it starts getting hot is when it's having a problem shifting. And the reason being is, again, I said it before, I think it's the pump not getting the fluid down to the gears. So hopefully that's the only problem with the van. But here's the flip side. If that is the problem, they still have to take apart the transmission. They have to take it out. We're talking about 5 hours labor. So we're looking at anywhere between $500 and $800 probably for just that. So hopefully it's something really simple. But no matter what, it won't help me because that's a lot of money. And when I'm not working, it's a lot of money. You could always look at all the stuff I have in my van lower in the video there and click on them. They're all Amazon links. They do give me a little bit of profit if you buy something, but it's no more expensive for you going through my link or going straight through the front page. So you might as well see a van dweller get paid sometimes, huh? Seeing a lot of fifth wheels in driveways throughout New Mexico. I think everyone wants to get out of here. Figured I'd walk around the park a little bit. There is some of that park exercise equipment, leg presses and stuff. Might want to look into that. Got a pair of shorts in the van. Maybe get out there and start working out. Here's some of the exercise equipment that I was talking about. Right over here. I gotta tell you, it's after 9 o'clock and the sun's out full. It's supposed to be 97 degrees here. And I feel totally chill here on the bench. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt because I just did those leg presses or the stairs or something like that out here. Man, it was hard. I'm gonna try it again. I need to build up my butt, I think. I need a better cushion. If you did not know this, New Mexico, especially Albuquerque, has a big meth problem. And when I started walking around, there are a lot of people sitting in their cars doing stuff. Can't just assume it's meth. But I'm also looking around at some people's houses, and I'll show you one of the houses. It totally looks like a meth house. I was just walking over to show you the house, but apparently there are two people in a car right in front of it, like across the street. So again,
Could have been people buying. Could people be doing it right now? It just bothers me because I'm in a beautiful setting here and there's a bunch of people walking around. It's minimal bugs, but it seems that there is a dark underbelly to all that's beautiful here. It is, I gotta say, it's rather slow paced for me right now. I just don't want to drive anywhere. I'm just scared of something happening to the van before I have to get it fixed on the after the weekend. Yeah, this place actually looks like a nut house if you actually look at it. It's just so crazy.
I'm over here at the Dollar Tree, and over here is a Walmart. Funny thing about this parking lot, no overnight parking. Now this is probably Walmart's fault, so I'm not going to shop there. I'm going to just shop at Dollar Tree. Because, again, they don't run the lots. They're just a store.
I've never seen this before, Dollar Tree Plus. And you can see now they're selling higher priced merchandise. I used to get that extra detergent for $1, so I don't know. Oh, got over here to the library. As you can see, nice artwork. See if we could get some work done on the computer. Signs everywhere saying that we have to wear masks in the side city buildings.
Well, the library was a great experience. I went in there and I used their Wi-Fi. I searched through their book catalog. I saw there's an ebook of No Man Land, and it's available from my other library too, because it's on Hoopla. I'm at Montgomery Park here in Albuquerque, and saw a couple vans parked over here. This one's just a passenger van, but this one, ooh, look at that. It looks something. It looks like a TV truck almost, because right there is like a telescoping antenna. I thought it was for a wood stove.
His van's pretty cool. It looks like a storage container up there, lights and everything. It looks like a media truck. It's pretty nice. Since I backed away from it too, you could see that there's solar panels right there too. It looks like he has 200 watts of solar. So that's pretty cool. That looks like an area for an AC or right over there. Looks like for AC or even a wood stove. Who knows? I don't know what's in there. Be interesting to find out. It could just be storage.
This park is pretty nice. It's got a drainage ditch here, probably because it's desert and it floods, just like LA or Vegas. But across there's lots of fields here, even over to that direction too, lots of park, plus parking lots here. That's awesome. So this is gonna be one of the places I could spend time during the day. Lots of sun right now. It was a little cloudy. I thought it was gonna rain, but it's great here so that my solar's charging up and I could run my fan, sit here in the back of my van. It's good because it's dry, and when it's dry, the fan works well to cool it down. Plus I have 2 other USB fans in there, and I got some cleaning to do. I did buy another pair of reading glasses over at Dollar Tree. That way I'm not straining my eyes so much until I find my new glasses. But after this, maybe we'll drive over to the truck stop. I'm thinking either Saturday or Sunday, maybe Cracker Barrel. We'll see. I'm not trying to spend too much money right now. I was just looking at this guy's van too, thinking about that hydraulic for the antenna. That would be a really cool hacking van, because you could get that Wi-Fi antenna so high up and be able to get so much better of a signal. I noticed this in my van. I took these Walmart USB rechargeable fans, and I was noticing this little ledge here, and it fits perfectly in that ledge there. So I could position it so that it hits my head if I really wanted to. And I got 2 of those fans, so I could put 1 on each side. Actually, that was a little happy accident there before I start putting in like a roof and stuff like that. Just finished the day, sitting here in the van, got my beer, watching honest trailers about G.I. Joe Retaliation. You should watch it. And also, thank you for watching today. If this is your first time, please subscribe. And if you're a subscriber,
You could always like it and comment. You know how I feel about that. And don't worry, I'll be back with one more tomorrow. Remember, always have fun watching my videos. And if you have a chance, look at the list of stuff in my van and try to buy something. It would help me out with my new transmission.